Oh, hi, my good people. Herewith is the continuation of the Infinite Illusion Pixie Wig. Here we go. Scissors and scissors. Yes, we're going to chop it into a short pixie cut. Now the chopping begins all the way from the crown going downwards. We are going to chop off the longer ends of the hairpiece from the crown all the way to the parameters of the wig. Here you can see the chopping has begun on the crown. You just chop the ends of the hairpiece. Now as you chop, you need to be mindful that when you get to the parameters of the wig, you leave them out. We do not cut off the parameters, as we will trim the parameters of the wig according to the head size of the wig owner. Now as visible here, we chop the length all over the head, leaving out the parameters, meaning the nape, around the ears, the sides behind the ears, and the side bends. We will trim the side bends and all those areas according to the desires of the wig owner.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber, sing Dizzy well. Kunene, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm.
Okay, now enough chopping for the day. We will move on to wearing and trimming the wig on the head. And now as I have put on the stocking wig cap that comes with the hairpiece packet. Now as I put it on, the elastic strap will go to the back of my nape as to secure the wig so it doesn't fall off. Yes, I make sure that it is tight enough. As I have now trimmed the side band according to my face size and my head size, I just put it on accordingly. I really love the flexibility of this technique of doing the pixie wig, as you can just control it even using your fingers.
Cindy with rain, she's the queen supreme. Cindy way, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the mood. With eyes that tell 1,000 tales. She's the wind in the sails. Fashion and style, she's got it all.
cool stuff. Now that we are set putting it on, we move over to the straightener to further enhance the front. Maybe you can give it a curl that flicks out.
Cities where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove.
Remember, this front styling is according to one's desire. One may just desire to curl the fringe maybe inwards, preferably, but I prefer the flick out. Well, that's my personal preference.
Everyone knows she's got those skills. A waving smile, she's a magazine. Our nation's own timeless queen. Cities where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cities where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move.
Now, of course, I'm gonna put on my crown because you know me, I am queening up in here. Well, thank